Your first question: which is called the City of Roses? Option A Chandigarh, B Chhattisgarh, C Punjab, D Rajasthan. Correct answer is option A Chandigarh. Second question: in which state is the Konark Sun Temple located? Option A Rajasthan, B Kerala, C Sikkim, D Odisha. Correct answer is option D Odisha. Third question: which of the following is not an outdoor game? Option A football, B cricket, C table tennis, D hockey. Correct answer is option C table tennis. Fourth question: how many days are there in a leap year? Option A 365 days, B 366 days, C 364 days, D 361 days. Correct answer is option B 366 days. Fifth question: which of the following is the biggest sea animal? Option A shark, B dolphin, C blue whale, D penguin. Right answer is option C blue whale. Sixth question: who was popularly known as Netaji? Option A Swami Vivekananda, B Bhagat Singh, C Mahatma Gandhi, D Subhash Chandra Bose. Right answer is option D Subhash Chandra Bose. Seventh question: who is the author of the book Broken Wing? Option A Annie Besant, B Indira Gandhi, C Sarojini Naidu, D Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is option C Sarojini Naidu. Eighth question: on which day is Teachers' Day celebrated? Option A November 1, B September 5, C November 14, D May 1. Correct answer is option B September 5. Ninth question: Kuchipudi is the dance from which state? Option A Karnataka, B Tamil Nadu, C Andhra Pradesh, D Maharashtra. Correct answer is option C Andhra Pradesh. Your 10th question: which is the fastest train in India? Option A Vivek Express, B Vande Bharat Express, C Lifeline Express, D Chennai Express. Correct answer is option B Vande Bharat Express. 11th question: who is the father of Indian Constitution? Option A Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B Jawaharlal Nehru, C Abdul Kalam, D Bhagat Singh. Correct answer is option A Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 12th question. Gidda is the folk dance of which state? Option A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Rajasthan. C. Punjab. D. Haryana. Correct answer is option C. Punjab. 13th question. Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for option A. Elephant. B. Cheetah. C. Tiger. D. Lion. Right answer is option D. Lion. 14th question. Which is the smallest state in India? Option A. Goa. B. Karnataka. C. Kerala. D. Punjab. Correct answer is option A. Goa. 15th question. Agra is situated on the bank of which river? Option A. Narmada. B. Ganga. C. Yamuna. D. Godavari. Correct answer is option C. Yamuna. 16th question. What is the biggest post of Indian police? Option A. SP. B. DIG. C. DGP. D. IG. Correct answer is option C. DGP. 17th question. Which is the hottest state of India? Option A. West Bengal. B. Kerala. C. Gujarat. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is option D. Rajasthan. 18th question. Virat Kohli is related to which sport? Option A. Kabaddi. B. Football. C. Cricket. D. Chess. Correct answer is option C. Cricket. 19th question. Which is called the country of gold and diamonds? Option A. Indonesia. B. South Africa. C. Afghanistan. D. Sri Lanka. Correct answer is option B. South Africa. 20 question. Which city is called the capital of oranges? Option A. Shahpur. B. Jaipur. C. Nagpur. D. Udaipur. Correct answer is option C. Nagpur. 21st question. Which state is known as the sugar bowl of India? Option A. Karnataka. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is option B. Uttar Pradesh. 22 question. Cow is the national animal of which country? Option A. Nepal. B. India. C. Bangladesh. D. Pakistan. Correct answer is option A. Nepal. 23rd question. Which country produces the most coal? Option A. Bangladesh. B. China. C. Japan. D. Germany. Correct answer is option B. China. 24th question. Which state of India is the richest state? Option A. West Bengal. B. Karnataka. C. Maharashtra. D. Gujarat. Correct answer is option C. Maharashtra. 25th question. Where is the largest jail in India? Option A. In Delhi. B. In Mumbai. C. In Kolkata. D. In Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is option A. In Delhi. 26th question. Who was popularly called as Chachaji? Option A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Bhagat Singh. D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Correct answer is option B. Jawaharlal Nehru. 27th question. Which country discovered water on the moon? Option A. Indonesia. B. America. C. India. D. Bangladesh. Correct answer is option C. India. 28th question. What is the national monument of India? Option A. Red Fort. B. Taj Mahal. B. Charminar. D. India Gate. Correct answer is option D. India Gate. 29th question. How many carats is pure gold? Option A. 24 carat. B. 23 carat. C. 22 carat. D. 20 carat. Correct answer is option A. 24 carat gold. Your 30 question. Where was the first post office opened in India? Option A. Chennai. B. Kolkata. C. Mumbai. D. Bangalore. Correct answer is option B. Kolkata. 31 question. Which part of human body does not have bone? Option A. Hand. B. Nose. C. Tongue. D. Ear. Correct answer is option C. Tongue. 32 question. Who gave the slogan Back to the Vedas? Option A. Dayananda Saraswati. B. Jyotiba Phule. C. Swami Vivekananda. D. Bhagat Singh. Correct answer is option A. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. 33 question. In what year was the first iPhone released? Option A 2010, B 2007, C 2012, D 2008. Correct answer is option B 2007. Your last question. Which planet is known as the red planet? Option A Jupiter, B Mars, C Venus, D Saturn. Guess me correct answer and comment the box. Please subscribe and support my channel. Thanks for watching. Love you all guys. Take care. Bye.